if instead of saying you're hungry all day, you say, this is what fat loss feels like, and this is where I want to be, you'll be in a much different place. People's self-talk is not aligned with the outcome they want. They're doing a workout. They're like, this is horrible. Instead of like, I'm a fucking savage. I'll fuck some shit up. I'm the shit. Like, I murdered that. I want people to talk that way. I want people to pull up in their fucking whip. I want them to fucking be fucking ripped. I want them to be like, I'm so fucking proud of me. I'm like, I'm more proud of you. If people aren't proud of your success, they have a massive problem. Like, literally, that's their ego. Like, there's two types of people you meet on the way up. The people you inspire and the people you make insecure. Those ones you make insecure, yeah, you still, I don't run away from negative people either. A lot of people are like energy vampires and that shit. I'm like, they ain't nothing to me. Like, literally, I lived such an that's why the guys who are Navy SEALs, the guys who are in prison, the guys who have been through so much emotional torture are so good at business and shit, because it's just, the work is nothing to them. And the stress management they have is so high that they don't break. So, I mean, like, the key to your potential is your level of stress management. Like, where do you snap at? And that's like when you're getting hungry, like, I just can't take this. What the fuck? There's someone who won't even eat in another country, and your fat ass can't take this. What the fuck is the matter with you?